Okay, we're looking at question 3. Right. Number of chromosomes in egg cell, it's half, so it's going to be 23 in a human body. Yep, 23 chromosomes. It's a haploid cell. Half. The opposite of a haploid is a diploid, but red blood cells have 0. It's got no nucleus, so it has more room for hemoglobin. White blood cells have 46, and it's known as a diploid cell. Get used to these words. Right, some cells divide by mitosis and others divide by meiosis. Mitosis is used in the process of growth. Give 2 of the processes that use mitosis for growth and repair. So if you damage your skin, it will grow. And so, for example, do you know when you've got strawberries or potatoes, or no, not potatoes, mint, oregano, things like that, they have something called asexual reproduction. They do not need a flower and a pollinator to reproduce. Right. Describe how the chromosomes of a human cell produced by meiosis differ from chromosomes of a human cell produced by mitosis. So it's basically this. Let's get that. It's basically that, what they want you to look at. Where are we? Right. Let's look at, okay, body cells produced by mitosis. Right, they're going to be, the chromosomes, they're going to have half the number of chromosomes. So instead of 46, you can have, nope, I always do this. Let's get this right. It's meiosis. Meiosis is for gametes. These are what you call sex cells. Oh. Yeah, okay, sex cells is the egg and the sperm. So half the number of chromosomes, 23. Name the male part of the flowering plant where cells divide by meiosis. Is that, should I go? They put anther, stamen. Right, so what should we do? Right, let me just go get the diagram. Just give me 1 second. Right, okay. Move you up, paste you. There you go. So what they're saying is what are they saying? Where is the anther? Pollen grain, tube, ovary. Right, okay, I need to go get another. Let's paste it here. No. I had to do that, didn't I? I had to do that. Paste it here. Right, okay. We're interested in really the story of my life, yeah? It's going all up. Right, okay, let's look at this. Forget everything else for now. Right, where is the anther? Right. So what happens is, what color should we do it? Right. It goes from the pollen is produced here and it lands on the stigma. So the pollen is produced on the anther and I think that'll be those, and then it'll land on the stigma and then work its way down. Right, okay, let's move on. Question 4. This will be interesting. Right, let's see if we can get around this. Where are we? Right, the passage describes hormones and coordination. It describes hormones and coordination. Complete the passage by writing suitable word. Hormones are chemicals or chemical messengers that are produced by the endocrine glands. Let's have a look. 1 second. No, we don't need that anymore. Right. Glands is better. They've also allowed organs or system and are secreted into the bloodstream. Nope, stream. The hormones are then targeted to the target cells in another part of the body, so they go all over the body. Males have testes that produce the sex hormone called testosterone. Testosterone that causes body hair to grow. Females have ovaries that produce the sex hormone called estrogen and progesterone. The pancreas produces hormones that regulate blood glucose. One of these hormones is called insulin. It stimulates the conversion of glucose into glycogen in the liver. Also in muscle cells, so they'll allow liver or muscle, but just learn liver. Another hormone that causes the heart rate to increase in response to danger. Another hormone causes the heart rate to increase in response to danger. This hormone is called adrenaline. Right, okay, how many minutes is that? 8 minutes so far. See if we can get through this. Okay, sexual reproduction in flowering plants and mammals involves the process of gamete formation. Remember we said gametes are what? They're called sex cells, and it's the sperm and the egg or the ovum. Right. Use the words from the box to complete the table about sexual reproduction in flowering plants and mammals. Each word can be used once, more than once, or not at all. Right, okay, female gametes are made in the... Right. Let's do mammals first. I find that easier. So, female gametes are produced in the ovaries. Okay. Male gametes are made in the testes. Gametes are brought together by a process called copulation. Fertilization will take place in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. Embryos develop in the uterus. Have they got? No, that's it. Right. I always forget in flowering plants. Okay, so gametes are produced in the ovule. Right here. Can you see? If that helps. This bit here is the ovary. In that, you've got the ovules, and these are like the egg. Right. So if you have a closer look, ovary, and you'll have ovules here. Okay, that's good. We've got that. Ovule. Let's just do that. Right, male gametes are produced in the, what did we say? No, it's anther. It's in the, oh, that's no good, is it? And the gametes are produced, brought together by, is it pollination? Pollination. Fertilization takes place in the ovule, and embryo develops. The embryo develops in the seed. Okay, there you go. Forgot about that one. Right. Cell division in an organism can take place by mitosis or meiosis. 3 ways in which they are different. Let's have a look. So see if we can paste that here. Ooh, that's not very good, is it? Right. Okay, we'll have to figure out another way. Cell division, how is it different? It is okay. Where are we? Mitosis is used, let me get this right, oh my goodness me, let's not do that. Let's start that again. That was not horrible. That mitosis is for repair, for growth and repair, yeah, for repair and growth, new body cells. Mitosis has no genetic variation. And what else can we say? You have in mitosis, the number of chromosomes stays the same. What else can we say? You have one division, and you produce a diploid cell is produced. Diploid has 46 chromosomes. It's got the full set chromosomes. Okay, right, we'll call it quits at that there, because we can make another video.